In this video, we are going to show just how prevalent mold can be without you even knowing it, how bad this particular house was, and what we are doing to remedy this house for this exterior retrofit. The original house is a 1970s brick and stucco Tudor style home, and it's about 5,000 square feet in total. The owners purchased the home in 2020 during a local real estate boom where sellers had buyers bidding for properties, often leading to sales prices significantly higher than what was being asked for. It also resulted in buyers waiving usual conditions like inspections. Now, I'm not sure if the inspection was waived in this case, but I do know it sold for over asking. However, it was purchased for a good price compared to other homes in the area because it was an estate sale and there was water damage disclosed in the listing. Now, looking at these listing photos from 2020, you would not suspect any major issues. Looks like the hardwood floor is newish, let's say, and the home, although outdated, has been maintained. Now, if you were to walk into the house, there might have been a recognizable smell of mold or mildew, but I can't say for sure since I had not seen the home until after demolition had been done on the interior. The homeowners bought this house with the intention of renovating, but their plans changed, or at least the order of their plans changed, once more water damage started to present itself, which is when I actually received the inquiry because the other contractor did not know what to do or did not want to deal with those exterior retrofits. Now you can see from the pictures that most of the mold issues are around where the chimney was located. This has obviously been leaking for years, to say the least, and was not dealt with. I suspect there have been signs of this on the interior, but they may not have shown up for years after the home was built. This is why proper detailing and water management is so important when building and renovating a home. This is also why we recommend products that allow walls to dry and insulation like rock wool that does not allow mold to grow on it. Plus, it does not lose its R value. So the team has replaced everything around the chimney and a few other spot areas like where the wood stove vent was left after, I don't know if it was last renovation or after a renovation. Since some of the window openings are changing in size, the team is also reframing and replacing insulation around those. The demo and prep work is very tedious on this project. All the nails holding the previous tar paper need to be removed or grinded flush to prevent damaging our new air and weather barrier. We will then be covering that with 2 inches of rock wool comfort board 80 to reduce any thermal bridging that we have on the walls. Right now, the team is currently framing the front porch, and despite the significant mold damage that we found, we are still anticipating to be done within a week or two of our anticipated completion date. Personally, I have lived in places that have had mold issues that were not visible to the eye. Symptoms for mold can include sneezing, coughing, skin rashes, wheezing, a runny nose, redness of the eyes, and the onset of asthma actually. More severe reactions to mold exposure include difficulty breathing, fevers, a compromised immune system, and recurring lung infections. For myself, I actually produced a cough that would not go away. And once it started, it was instant when I was exposed again. So if I left the space where the mold was located, I would be fine a couple days later, the cough would go away. Now it's almost a superpower as the cough comes back quickly if I'm in an area that has mold. So if you want to have a healthy home, make sure you address all water leaks as quickly as possible and make sure that they are addressed properly. Any signs of water should not be taken lightly or you will be dealing with a much larger issue down the road, and that issue may include your health on top of whatever home problems you'll have. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a contractor and you are looking to fast track your personal and business growth, I highly recommend that you check out ConsciousBuilderAcademy.com. We already have some great courses available, including some courses for free, but I'm also launching our group coaching program. As entrepreneurs, it's easy to just sit back and coast because we're not really accountable to anybody in terms of business growth. So joining this group will be the greatest thing you have ever done for yourself and for your business. I'm happy to hop on a call with anybody who is interested in joining us on this journey. Until next time, I'm Casey Gray, and remember to live consciously.